One of the other great things to do in Broken Hill, and we normally don't do this, it's way above our budget. No, we didn't rent a horse, but thank you. Oh, we didn't rent another horse, but thank you. We lashed out and spent, I think we spent about $450, and we hired a small aeroplane. What type of, 2 propeller was it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, just had a
Single
propeller on the front. Yeah, single front. Yeah, a little plane to do a little tour from the air. It's fantastic.
It was really good. And as you'll see in this video, even finding out where to buy the ticket from was quite exciting. Here we go into Broken Hill Aviation. Find that little flight. So we passed off. Where's the door? Oh. Let's see. I'm just getting old. I've got dementia. Right, here we go. The office is all the way down the front, darling. Of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee. First stop, last place. Isn't this lovely? 5 years later, this is friendly country people. You just go into an aviation centre. There's nobody here. Grab a plane, any plane, and away you go. Plane. Even when you lost your way in the madness of New York City. Oh, you found her. Now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. Going, just going.
Hello. Good. How are you?
Pricing there on
Okay. Cool.
Mungo, for example.
Yeah.
Arcoola. Lake Air at the top.
Yeah. Okay. With that. Yeah.
Yeah. So it works better if there's 4 passengers.
Okay.
So 2 couples. That's how we did about 25 Lake Airs in 2019, and that was almost always with 2 couples that we try and coordinate dates together.
Yeah.
But you're here now and you want to go.
Yeah. Probably.
Okay. Mike said he's not doing maintenance. See the engine here? It's all fixed. We're ready to use it. It can go. Now, opposed to this plane here, we won't be taking that because this plane has no propeller. In the madness of New York City. That's beautiful plane, isn't it? Darling, are you excited?
Have you been on a small aircraft? Not this small.
What about the little one we went in Tasmania?
Oh yeah.
We did, yeah. Cause
Well, we're the only ones, aren't we?
we're the only ones, and
I guess. Okay, so when you step up, make sure you only step on the black. I was just going to say, oh, there's a hand function. There is, yeah. That's nice.
Oh, well done, darling.
That was fantastic.
Wasn't that just sensational?
Oh, it was so good. Everything? Yeah,
Oh.
so he, Mike ended up finding a brochure and gave us that, and that's how we ended up. Yeah, anyway, yeah.
I wonder where he found the brochure because we went around.
Yeah, he had to scrounge for one. He was like, I thought there was some brochures.
Good, how are you? Good? That was sensational. Oh. Oh, beautiful. It's the best way to see a town, isn't it? Yeah. In the countryside. So if you like this video, what do you do, darling?
Give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.